Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your friend Zaid Abdildar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time and every time. During this video, if you like this information and you find the information useful, please like this video. Today is Thursday, 30th June 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in the UAE. Starting with the 1 gram price of 24 carats gold, without VAT price is 214.38 and with VAT is 225.10. 22 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 196.80 and with VAT is 206.64. For 21 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 187.58 and with VAT is 196.96. 18 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 160.79 and with VAT is 168.83. 14 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 125.41 and with VAT is 131.68. 10 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 89.40 and with VAT is 93.87. Last but not the least, 6 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 53.60 and with VAT is 56.28. Keeping in mind the VAT rate in the UAE is 5% out of 100. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and share this information with your friend and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.